Namaste. I'm Ezichiade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Are you an empath? Do you feel uneasy when you're around people who have uneasy emotions? Let's talk about that. First of all, this is the Golden Circle Movement Channel, a channel all about esoteric science, spirit science, and lightworker strategies. If that's your thing, make sure you subscribe, ring the all notification bell so you can know when new videos are uploaded. Now, these are the signs that you are an empath. Do you ever feel like crying? Maybe you do cry, and you don't know why. Do you ever feel really excited or happy for no good reason? A lot of times, an empath will receive information from others, from the environment, and not understand where these feelings are coming from. Well, let me tell you something. Each and every one of us is an empath. You see, an empath is a normal human attribute. What varies from individual to individual is awareness. As one's awareness increases, the intensity of what one can perceive is increased. So, as you are able to raise your awareness by detoxifying your body, by developing a spiritual practice, by studying, modeling your consciousness after a consciousness that you resonate with, that you feel has achieved a level of understanding that you yourself would like to achieve. And so by reading those teachings, you become one with that way of thinking. So now, spirit, mind, and body is the way to raise one's awareness that one's empathic abilities have always been there. They are latent. When you surround yourself with beauty and beautiful energies, the sound of children playing and laughter and sunshine and nature, then you recharge and draw in those energies that invigorate you and make us feel alive and happy to be alive. When we're in places of darkness and disease and poverty, we feel very negative, very depressed about that situation. So, as an empath, it's important to give yourself space to recharge. That space is time alone, serenity, and that peace is what helps recharge you. If this is something you understand, type serenity in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Like and share this video. It will help the channel. Now, if you want to acquire Quantum Orgonite, use the link in the description. This will help you with your EMF field blocking, and also it will help boost your mood, your energy, boost your immune system. If you want to get with me on social media, use the links in the description. If you want to join the Facebook group, use that link in the description. If you just want to donate, use that link. Make sure you comment. Make sure you get with me. Let me know what you think about this. I want to hear your empathic stories. Thank you for your participation. Namaste.